Hi. So today I want to quickly talk about TV and it's on. Oh, I'm confused. It's on this side. It's CNBC. So they show you every day how the market is doing, what's going on Wall Street, and they explain you some quarterly results and some bad companies and some this and that scandal, and they tell you great numbers and why the stock is moving up, why the stock is moving down, and I mean it's okay to watch it. They have great news and you may learn a lot. You can learn a little, but the problem is you get distracted from your long-term perspective. The best way to invest, I think, and studies show that, is long-term. The stock market makes Dow Jones average 10% every year. So if you have time, you buy great stocks like Walmart, Costco, Exxon, Schaefer, whatever you want to pick. Kraft Foods or Mondelez or Pepsi or Coca-Cola or Berkshire Hathaway, whatever you want to pick, you buy it and hold that for the long run, for 30, 40, 50 years. You reinvest the dividends and just take it easy. So you will make this 10%. If you but jump in and out of the market, you dance in and out, because you get distracted by the TV or by some internet portals. I think it's difficult to make these 10% because you have to pay a commission to the bank. It depends which bank you have. You pay between $7 or $8 and $30 or $20 each transaction. You have a gap between bid and ask, so you lose on that. And you have a problem with timing and picking the right stocks. And usually you buy high and sell lower. Like, all these problems happen and you get emotional with the trades and transactions. So to summarize it, this trading, day trading stuff and whatever, quarterly trading does not work. Studies show it. I mean, there's so many factors that give you clearly a signal you should stay away from it. And so, because I'm very skeptical, I met Wilbur Ross a while ago, the billionaire investor. He likes turnaround companies. He likes also a lot of European companies. He worked for Rothschild before he founded his own hedge fund investing company. And so he bought, for example, 10% more than a year ago up in Bank of Ireland, and that investment is doing very well. He is very optimistic with the turnaround of this bank, the largest bank in Ireland. So anyway, I asked Wilbur Ross, I said, you have a trader. What is your strategy with this trading? What are you doing? And he said, look, that's true, I have a trader, I have a desk, and the guy is here trading. And so if I buy a large position, this employee is buying up that position very carefully, very slowly, building up. It takes days, weeks, months, because he doesn't want to give the market too much of an impact on the stock price. So he has to be carefully building up that thing. And that's all. If he's selling, at some point he will sell a position. Usually he has a long-term perspective. Turnarounds take many years usually, he says that. He slowly sells it into the market. That's why he has a trader. But he's not sitting there and is day trading. That's not his thing. Wilbur Ross holds companies for many years. I was so impressed by talking to him. It was a wonderful conversation and I've learned a lot. I've learned he's not day trading. No one is doing that. He's just using a trader to build up positions and to sell those. If you look at other famous billionaires at our time, like David Einhorn, Bill Ackman, or whoever, Carl Icahn, whoever you want to take, usually those billionaires are also holding stocks for many years. And that's what they are doing. I mean, there's not one of them a day trader. I think it doesn't work. It's just an illusionary world of a lot of people. One beneficiary, of course, are the banks. They like to advertise on this channel. I mean, this channel is not bad. Let me say that. They have great interview partners. You get a lot of information. But you have to stick with the plan. You have to have a long-term perspective. You should invest in great companies over a very long period. And you should calm down. You will have great years, you will have bad years. And if you are patient, you hold your great positions over 30, 40, 50 years, I mean, you will have an amazing performance because of the compounding. Okay, that's I wish you a great performance and a great time saving for your retirement. Okay, bye.